Welcome to FanDuel, the most exciting place to play fantasy sport leagues. Unlike traditional fantasy games that run for the entire season, FanDuel games last for just one day or 1 week, so you'll get to pick new teams on a weekly or daily basis. With FanDuel, you'll get to enter some of the world's biggest fantasy contests, pick new teams whenever you want, and get paid instantly when you win. Let me show you how it works in this short video. Simply create an account by completing this short form and hitting the Play Now button. Then find a game to enter. One quick way is to head to the contest lobby where you'll find tons of available games, from free entry to high-stakes tournaments. You can play around with the filter to find the perfect game for you. Next, you'll pick your fantasy team, and this is where your skill really comes into play. Each player has a salary, so pick your ultimate team while making sure you stay under the game's salary cap. If you want to make watching live games really exciting, then you'll probably want to play for real money. To do this, simply make a deposit using your Visa card or PayPal. All payments are completely safe and secure. And best of all, we offer awesome deposit bonuses. You can get up to $30 bonus money free just for depositing. Then it's game time. Just like in traditional fantasy leagues, you'll get to watch how your players do in actual games. If your team scores enough points to beat your opponents, you win. Watch yourself rise through the ranks on our leaderboard, play in free tournaments, and win cash every week. You can even talk trash in our live chat. Withdrawing your money couldn't be easier. We pay out directly to PayPal, always within the same day. No more waiting around for a league commissioner to collect checks. Getting paid by FanDuel is always fast. That's FanDuel in a nutshell. Take your fantasy game to the next level and start playing now.